I wish all the family members of cancer patients, let them not treat them as patients. If you support them, surely they will come out of it. And I consider myself as an inspiration to all to stay positive in life. I'm Prathibha Shimla D'Silva from Malad. I had a non-healing ulcer on the left side of my tongue. I went to the family physician where he treated for vitamin deficiency. After 15 days, he recommended us to consult a dentist. When we went to the dentist, he asked us to wait for a week and if not healed, to do a biopsy of tongue. So we consulted an oncologist of a renowned hospital. He prescribed medicines for 3 weeks. But after a week, since there was no improvement, we came to HCG Borivali and met Dr. Yash Matur for the second opinion. At the same time, he asked us to send the biopsy block for a second review, which also revealed moderate malignancy. Then Dr. Yash explained us everything about robotic surgery. He explained us thoroughly the advantages of precision, scarless, minimal blood loss, fast, speedy recovery, and most importantly, less chances of infection. It gave me much confidence and we went for it. It was 6 hours long surgery. During the surgery, the affected part of my tongue and 2 lymph nodes of my upper neck and 2 upper teeth which were hurting the tongue also were removed. Within a week, I got discharged from the hospital like a normal person. I am grateful to Dr. Yash Matur and his team, nursing staff and admin staff of HCG Borivali for their selfless service and care during my treatment. I highly recommend HCG Borivali for cancer treatment, which has all the facilities of advanced treatment under one roof. I thank God for being treated under Dr. Yash Matur, who has kept my speech and my smile intact. It's indeed a divine plan. And I consider myself as an inspiration to all to be positive in life.